Let me catch one more. I'm gonna catch one more explosion.
Oh, there it is.
Who exploded who? Oh, there it is. Ooh, these are like supposed to be pirate boats doing a show. And they're like bombing each other. Ooh, where's that?
Oh, Jack Sparrow's on there.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Jack Sparrow's on the one that's winning. That's so cool. I mean, they're definitely like somewhat real, like cannonballs, because they're making a lot of smoke. That's so cool. Ooh, this one is coming over. That's so pretty. Ooh. Somebody's attacking. Ooh.
That's a big one.
Where did it, oh, is that it right here? Where did it go? Oh, I see smoke right here. Oh, there's smoke right here. Who's gonna win? Oh, look at that. That was a cannon, dude.